Functional Devices Relay-in-a-Box series relays are pre-wired and pre-packaged to save installation time. They feature an LED status indicator, multi-voltage coil input, and true override switch on the load side of the relay. They are available in 10 to 15 amp models in several different contact ratings and are also available in time delay models. They are a track mount panel style and feature high-low voltage separation. The dry contact input RIB series featured here offers all the advantages of the standard RIB line. Plus, it can be activated by a wide range of dry contacts, such as thermostats, current switches, other relays, solid-state switches, and more. The dry contact input RIB accepts local power to provide the low voltage power needed to activate the relay. Just close the dry contact input. The power to energize the relay can be brought to the relay on a separate pair of wires, along with the control output of a controller, or it can be a local power source near the relay. The relay contacts are isolated from the input power and the dry contact input. Thus, the relay contacts can be wired to switch any other power load or low voltage load. One model can be used for many installations. For more from Functional Devices and their Relay-in-a-Box series, check out Galco.com.